Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing day wherever you are. I am actually ready to go to work. I'm about to leave in 10 or 15 minutes, but I had enough time to do a quick unboxing video. I'm literally having coffee right now. So as you guys probably know, I have been really loving all the mystery boxes that brands have been doing. There have been ColourPop, Jeffree Star has done one, Gerard Cosmetics, Makeup Geek, and today is the Makeup Geek one. This was for St. Patrick's Day. They went for $50 and I actually added on one single eyeshadow and then used a coupon code. So that way I still got free shipping and I basically got just like an extra item for free. So I'll pull that out first, but it is in this box and I've only cut it. So I haven't had a chance to look into it yet. So we're just wrapped in some tissue. So I did add this single shadow in a color that I thought would be really pretty. The color I got is called Secret Garden. So there's the color. Yeah, so it's like a hunter green. I'm really into green eyeshadow for whatever reason, and it's hard to find really good greens, so hopefully this will be really pretty on the eyes. So I have two items that are part of the mystery box. So I have what I think is probably an empty palette, and then this is your little mystery bundle. So this is an empty palette for single shadows. It has 9 spots, so I'm assuming there's probably going to be some shadows in here, but this is a really nice size palette. It has a mirror, and then you can customize. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay, so here we go. Here is the little bundle. Let you guys get a little overview. Try not to let everything spill out. So I see a sparkler. This is one of their loose glitters. I've had some of their glitters and pigments in the past and I really like them. So this is a sparkler in the shade Asteroid. So if you haven't gotten one of these before, you basically have the jar and then you have a little sifter. Oh shit. This guy is like spilling out. So here's what Asteroid looks like on my finger there. I don't know, I kind of just wish this sifter was already in there because when you first take it out, it's like a mess. Okay, so that's Asteroid. It's really pretty. It's a little bit of like a deeper gold. We got 2 pairs of lashes. Oh, these are the Mischievous Full False Lashes. These look like a little short pair. So I'm guessing these are like a no-cut type of lash. And then I also got the style Fearless. Those are pretty too. Ooh, yeah, these look really nice. I'm excited for these shorter ones. I've been wearing the velour, what are they called? I can't remember what they're called, but the velour ones that are shorter that you don't have to cut. They like fit my eyes perfectly. Next, we've got a Plush Cream, and this is in the shade Socialite. Socialite? Okay, this is a better shade. When I saw the outside of the box, I was like, oh, that's super dark. So right after I swatched this, my camera decided to die, so I did a little bit of work on the other items. I put some things in the palette. This was the shade Socialite right here. It's not drying down at all. It's probably been like 10 minutes since my camera died. I just put it on the charge long enough to get us through this video. So this one was a Plush Cream, and then this one is the Iconic Lipstick. It's just a little twist up lipstick. So let's swatch it down here. These are like one of my least favorite colors on me personally. I like them and I'm drawn to them, but I don't think that they actually like flatter my skin tone or anything. But we'll give it a try. I could definitely maybe line or ombre or something with it. So 2 different lip colors there. We also have this mini guy. This is the Healing Lip Glaze in Sangria, which I'm assuming is a mini. So there is that. That's really pretty. Definitely on the opaque side. So 3 lip products in all. And then the last things in this little box were the eyeshadows. So I pulled them out really quick while I had time, but one of them was broken. And of course it would be my favorite shade. This one's called Jester. So I swatched it in the most awkward spot possible. So I went ahead and kind of repressed it a little bit. It looks messy, but while I was doing that, I got that swatch and it is a gorgeous green. This one is called Aphrodite, which is in matte. It's really pretty. This one's a Secret Garden that I showed you guys earlier. That's the one that I added on. This is another matte called Latte. Sorry, I'm holding this brush because I'm pushing them back up out of the palette. Why did I put them in? This one's called Prism. And finally, a matte black called Corrupt. These mattes look amazing. Look at that. And then Prism, I think is going to be really cute in the inner corner. A little bright moment. But those mattes look crazy good. Wow, look at that. Those are the mattes. They look great. My hand is so dirty. But that's everything. Oh, I forgot. I forgot one. I also got Peach Smoothie, but I actually recently got this in a subscription box, so this one looks in perfect condition. I'm going to put it aside for my next giveaway, just something extra in there. So all in all, we did get 6 shadows and the palette. We got 2 pairs of lashes, a sparkler, which is a little loose glitter, 2 full-size lip products, and then a mini lip glaze. So all in all, that's definitely a good deal. I put the value on the screen because I don't know all the prices offhand, but overall I think it was a really good box. Let me know down below what you think of it, and of course if you did enjoy, then make sure to leave me a big thumbs up so I know to continue doing these when I see these mystery boxes pop up. And of course subscribe if you haven't already and you'd like to see more videos from me. And we have one more thing to take care of. It's our dad joke of the day, so if you don't really like those, I understand completely. Thank you so much for watching, but if you do, let's jump into the dad joke. Do you want to hear a joke about paper? Never mind, it's terrible. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.